Hello, my year 10 students. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to share how to make a box plot in Excel. So this is what we have discussed before in our class. So I would like to redo this one. So first of all, you need to type the data. Okay, already copying those data here. So in column A, we are writing all of the data sets into cell A1 until A17. After that, write down the minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. So how to find minimum value of this data set? You can type equal min parenthesis, and you can just click the range that you wanna find out the value of the minimum and click enter. Okay, so the minimum value is 25. And then how about the first quartile? You can click equal sign and then write down quartile. And click the array or the data set and then comma 1. Okay, so in my Excel here I'm using comma, but some of you might be using the different sign for the comma over here. So please take a look on your Excels. Is it using comma or dots and comma? Yeah, so please check on your Excel because it might be different than mine. Okay, so the first quartile is 158, and then let's find out the median. Median is equal. Click the equal sign, type median, and then you can just click the data set over here, close the parenthesis and click enter. So that's the median. And then the third quartile, you can actually copy the formula from the first quartile. Okay, I will copy that and put it. Okay, I shouldn't do that. Okay, so you can just copy the formula and put it in here. And since this one is quartile 3 or third quartile, and change 1 into 3 and click enter. Okay, we already got the third quartile. And then the next one, the maximum value. How to find maximum? Click the equal sign and then max, and then okay, click the data set inside the parenthesis and click enter. Okay, after that, in the next column, let's say in this one, I will put it in F. So let's find out the differentiation or the difference between all of these numbers. In this one we can write down 25, and for this one we can subtract the 168 with the 25. So we are subtracting the first quartile with the minimum value, and since we are doing the same thing, just click and until you got the add sign and drag it below and click enter. Done. So this is the difference between, so okay, that this one 132 is the difference between the third quartile and the median value. Okay, have you done until these steps? Once you have done, click this one, block this one, the difference, block the difference, and then insert, click insert over here, and then insert charts, find the 2D bar, choose the stock bar, this one, yeah, choose this one. Okay, once you got this one, click on the graph and then click the switch row or column, this one. In design you will find switch row or column. Okay, tada, and your graph become look like this one. We are almost done. Remember that in box and whisker or box plot we are having the whisker, so this one is not box plot until they got the whisker. Okay, next one, how to give the whisker or the left or hand side. Click on the blue dots over here, select this. Might be in your laptop having different color, yeah, just click on the left side, the least the first color in the left side, and then right click and find format data series, this one. Okay, you will got this kind of options. This one series option, this one effect, and this one fill and line. Click fill and click no fill. Okay, so that color disappear. The next one, how to add the whisker to the left hand side. We have to use several steps later. So the whisker should be here, right? Click this one, select the layout or design tab, and then this one, add chart elements, error bars, okay, and more error bars options. So you will got error bars options here. Okay, so for this one, okay, choose the minus and then choose the error amount. The error amount is custom. Remember, this one is minus, so for this one we put the value of the negative error value, so the value will be the same with this one, 133. So the difference between the Q1 and minimum, and click OK. Okay, so we already add the whisker. Next, go to fill and line, and then this one. Oh wait, not the line. Okay, I will close this one. We need to erase this color, so go back to format data series, click fill, click no fill, done. Okay, now we will work on to this one, the right face. Click the second box here, this one. Do the same thing with the previous one to add a whisker. Find the error bars, add chart elements, and click error bars, and then click more error bars options. This one, click plus. Okay, so if you choose minus, then it will be on the left side. If you choose plus, it will be on the right side. And then for the error amount, click custom, and you can specify. Remember that this one is plus, so you can change it into 200. Wait, I will. Okay, this one 200 and 56. Okay, we can go back to this one. 200. Okay, so this is the right hand, the right whisker, and click format data series. Click fill, click no fill. Okay, remember you should change the chart title as well. So because of this one only an example, I hope you guys able to following my steps over here. So okay, can you see we have the same box plot over here. If you still have further confusion or how to make it, or maybe you got several case based on this practice, don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you. Good luck, guys.